Okay, I'm called Scoot for Life. That's C-U-L, Scoot for Life. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you today is how to put your wheel on a TSI. Pretty easy, but nobody really understands it, so they always ask me. Okay. So, this is a TSI, okay? That's the cord for my camcorder because it was almost dead when I started recording. And yes, TSI. And what you're gonna need is a wheel with the bearings. You're gonna need the axle, 2 washers, and then the nuts. Okay? You're gonna take your wheel, put it inside of the TSI like so, making sure to line it up inside. Okay, and then you're gonna want to, well, this is hard to do with only one hand. See if I can get this going. One second. That's a little bit better. Okay, so you're gonna take 1 washer, again, there, 1 washer, and you're gonna put it inside of the wheel like so, on top of your bearing, and then you're gonna look inside and you're gonna see that eventually you'll look inside and you'll want to line that up with the axle. So you can take the axle, or you can take a screwdriver, which I always do first, and you're gonna put it in there and then put it all the way through so then it is set up correctly. And then the middle spacer is perfect. Then you're gonna take the axle and put it into here, not all the way through though, even though I just did. So then now you're gonna get to do like so, and you're gonna get to pick up the TSI, and you're gonna get to push that back through like so. And I'll zoom in so you guys can see. Okay. So you're gonna want to push the axle back in a little bit so then you have enough to be able to put the other washer inside. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So I always take a hammer, and you can tell right here that the one did not fit all the way in. So we're doing this my way, and we're gonna just hammer that in there just a little bit so that it fits. We're just putting the washer into the right place, and then it doesn't have to go all the way in the right spot, because then you get to take the screwdriver and then you gotta fix it so it works in the right spot. So now I have the washers, on both sides of the wheel, and then inside of it you can see that the axle is going through, like so. And then this is the easiest part right here. You take the nut, okay? And you take this eye, flip it on its side, zoom out, and tripod it. And this is the easiest part right here, okay? You're gonna take 6mm Allen, put it inside of the whatchamacallit, like so. You take the nut, put it on your finger, push it up, and then you're going to turn the Allens, and it's going to tighten up the bolt on there eventually. There you go. Until it's finger tight. Then you take a flathead screwdriver, or you take another Allen that's smaller or something you can shove in there. You're going to shove that right there. It's going to hold that nut in place. Then you just tighten up the back wheel. Okay. And that's how it's done. Solid-ish. Not the most solid, but also my headset is a little bit loose. I don't know why, but it's always like that. I tighten it and then it loosens it. I don't know. Yeah, thank you. And come back next time for another ridiculously stupid how-to video.